ஹலோ. இங்கே கூடியிருக்கும் அனைத்து தெய்வீக உள்ளங்களையும் வணங்கி மகிழ்கிறேன். காலையிலேருந்து 9 மணிலேருந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் ஐ திங்க் எவ்ரி ஒன் இஸ் ஓவர்லோடட் வித் டேட்டா. நம்ம எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு குட்டி ரிலாக்ஸேஷன் பண்ணலான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வேறு ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நம்ம எல்லாரும் ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் 60 வினாடிகள் கண்ணை மூடி ஆழ்ந்த சுவாசம் செய்வோம். ஜஸ்ட் கண்ணை மூடி நேராக நிமிர்ந்து நான் 60 வினாடி எக்ஸாக்டாக 60 வினாடி எவ்வளோ நேரம் இருக்குங்கிறத நம்ம இப்போ உணர போகிறோம். கண்களை மூடி ஆழ்ந்த நிதானமான சுவாசம். ஸ்டார்ட். Thank you so much for that wonderful silence. My name is Navilu Subramanian. I am from Trichy. I represent Universal Peace Foundation from Tirumuthi Hills, Tirupur district. It's a center for Kundalini Yoga, meditation and breathing exercises. At the outset, I must thank Pondicherry Tourism and Public Works Department Minister, Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan, who was instrumental in inviting us to share our thoughts with you today. And he coined the word peaceful Pondicherry. We were happy to learn about that. CEOs and people of Indian origin, everyone faces some kind of conflict, some kind of decision-making difficulties almost every day. We thought of sharing a few thoughts which will address that situation for you. Universal Peace Foundation is a not-for-profit, ISO-certified spiritual trust founded in 1992, based in Tirumuthi Hills, Tirupur district. Its founder and managing trustee is Guru Mohan, as he is fondly called. He is a self-realized soul and does meditation inside a pyramid for 21 days successfully for the last 35 years, the core theme being global peace through individual peace. At this juncture in history, we are facing wars and conflicts across several continents, and they are all external disturbance. There is something called internal disturbance. How many of us are free from internal disturbance? Anybody? மனப்போராட்டம் இல்லாத யாராவது இங்கே இருக்கீங்கன்னா கை தூக்கலாம். எனக்கு எப்பவுமே மனப்போராட்டமே இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியவங்க கை தூக்கலாம். Anybody? Yes, I know nobody is there. Very good. Congratulations. Give him a big clap. Very nice to know that an youngster is able to manage it. Wonderful. So that is, this internal peace is more important than anything else. It gives you a conflict-free mind and clarity of thought. Okay, so UPF has introduced 1 minute silence every day at 11 a.m. and its impact on society. So this year, on 11th November, We do this 1 minute silence every day at 11 a.m. And as an annual program, during November 11th, November is 11th month, 11th day, 11/11, we make it as an annual event. Last year it was held in Coimbatore. This year it is going to be held in Pondicherry at Soganya Convention Center. And the Pondicherry Lieutenant Governor, Chief Minister and other ministers have agreed to participate. As Mr. Ravindra Jain pointed out, Pondicherry from Myanmar pointed out, it's a spiritual medical tourism center. That is the reason we also chose Pondicherry to be the venue this year. Request all GoPio members to join this event in their respective places and spread the message, because this hall can handle only 1,200 people. So we are restricting that number. Rest, we are requesting all schools and colleges and institutions to maintain 1 minute silence at 11 a.m. in their respective places on November 11th. That is going throughout the state. We did this in a very extensive manner in 2011 at Malaysia. And now I'm happy to introduce Mrs. Supriya, an advocate from Ericsson, Kuala Lumpur, representing UPSM Malaysia, who will share her experience on silence since 2011. Ul Amaidi Namai Uyarthum. Thank you.
Vanakkam, good evening, Salam Sejahtera, Namaste. Thank you, Mr. Subramaniam. Special thanks to the minister who has actually welcomed us to share with all your wonderful business people who are actually contributing in every other ways to the country's GDP. I think he understood something very important, which, as my fellow trustee has just mentioned, every one of us have an issue with peace, some way or other, either ourselves, our family, or whatever is happening in our office, or what's happening in our community, or whatever happens in the world. We know the impact of it. So before I start sharing, can I, one more time, just to make sure that we are all awake, I need to share this magic with you all in this short time. Can I ask you all, please stand up. Konjam nilunga, ellarum oru minute. Nilunga. Everybody, up. I won't do any exercise, I promise. Just stand up, and I want you all to take a nalla moochi. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, you can lift your hands. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Look to the person beside you and smile. Ungalkitta yaaraachum irukka? Smile. Okay, Sandosham. Okay, you please may sit down. Because I was falling asleep, so I need to also make you up. Okay. Sir, can I have my slides up, please? Okay. I'm very happy and humbled to be here today because I get a chance to share with you all a magic that I learned. And I think why this forum is because each one of you, I'm so amazed with the knowledge, the experience, and the forward thinking that you have to develop a country and to develop your businesses. Ana idellatukulla oru very periya vishayam, as Mr. Subra has mentioned, and the amaidi illatina, we will not get the best of the best. Is my slide up? Can I have my slide? I can't speak without it, but okay. So in 2011, at 11:11 a.m., our peace ambassador, Guru Mahan, initiated this in Malaysia, a 1 minute silence Global Peace Day. Inneki we call it Global Peace Movement. Why? Because We cannot just have one big program every year, International Peace Day, and think that every one of us are going to have peace. It's not going to happen. Each of us must find peace in whatever we do and where we do. So it's through individual peace, you will reach global peace, okay? So we launched this in Malaysia for the first time. Why Malaysia? Because Malaysia is a multinational, multiracial country. And we, by God's grace, we are living in peace, okay? And yeah, slide is moving faster. How do I go? No, it's going up, 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 up. Yeah, so we had about 5,100 people, international group, Malaysians, all. Different religions, race, all in one place, and we observe 1 minute silence, okay? And that one moment, we only think of one thing, peace. And that message we have been doing for the last 15 years, and I'll share that with you. And very interestingly, as I'm speaking to business people and to entrepreneurs, the two main partners that we got when we launched it in Malaysia is Tan Sri Lee Kim Yew, who is a very big entrepreneur. He is actually the founder of a very big property development. He was actually one of our main key sponsors. And we had Dr. Ravi, who is from the wellness side, Tasli Malaysia. They were the partners who made sure that we took this program into Malaysia. And we actually shared this message to the rest. Now, alamak, this one. The slides are going faster than I am. I know, okay. So, many of you may know, some of you may not know, that the First World War I was actually ended in November 11, right, at 11 a.m. First World War, means the world wanted to have 1 minute silence, or they wanted to have peace forever. Okay? So now, over the years, what did we do? We, not only in Malaysia, but around the world, but I'm sharing majorly what we have done in Malaysia. We have actually done peace runs, peace walk, laughter therapy, blood donations, just to promote the meaning and this ideology of this movement. Okay, and we also have done national level programs with the Ministry of Unity. We've done it with International University Lim Kok Wing. We've even done it with the, municipal body of another state called Perak, Manjung. And we've done a human peace chain. We've done many activities to promote this 1 minute silence. Out of that also, if you see, during the pandemic, we continued online. Speak from your heart. We asked children to do an art competition. And what you saw just now is actually the art pieces by students. Actually, these were from special children, okay? They actually did the art of what is peace to them. It's actually few only, I've got many. It's beautiful what they wanted to see as peace. See, animal and human being must coexist. Nature and us must coexist. This is very, very important. Yeah? So, what do we do at 1 minute silence? Very simple. And the 1 minute, we just say, I am peacekeeper. I am family peacekeeper. I am national peacekeeper. I am global peacekeeper. So you're only saying the word peace. It goes beyond race, religion, countries, okay? And I will give you an experiential practice at the end of this, after I share with you my experience, okay? So somebody will ask, what is so important? How can 1 minute silence do anything? I ask the same question. When an individual is in peace, naturally the whole friends, family, all will be in peace. You somehow or other interact differently. Then it goes further up to the society, your workplace, to the nation. And if that whole country is in peace, your neighboring country and you won't fight, like what's happening today, yes? So this is inner, what you call it, peace that we are trying to bring forward to all. So what did I do? I was introduced to this in 2011, and I'm going to just share very quickly my experience, and then I'll take you through. Why is it very close to my heart? So when Guruman said 1 minute silence for peace, I said, how on earth is it possible for 1 minute of silence to change us all? And the அமைதி எப்படி வரும்னு cannot think about it. I couldn't believe it. Okay? So what I did, I put my alarm at 11 o'clock every day, it will ring. I'm a corporate lawyer for 3 countries. I take care of Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. So my workload is very heavy, my traveling is a lot. But I took up this challenge. In the challenge, daily 11 o'clock, I will move away from my seat. And the challenge, I took it. And I go, I sit somewhere, I started practicing. Beginning and all, just do 1 minute silence, say the affirmation, sit. So I kept doing this without thinking too much. I wanted to see what will happen. And I'll tell you, by the 4th month and the 5th month, magic started to happen without me knowing. What happened? My own colleagues who knows me for the longest time asked me, hey, what happened to you? So I said, why? You know, sometimes in our workplace, all of you will be encountering it. There will be people, பிரச்சனை கொடுக்கறதுக்காக வருவாங்க. They will be very difficult, tough people. Yes or not? So we sometimes keep our distance from them. Then I don't want to waste your energy for the day. After these 4 months of practicing, I started going for meetings with these people, which I wouldn't go for meeting. I will only take phone call, email. I went into the meeting, spoke to them, came out, and I didn't have any irritation, angry, no feelings like that, which I was having before. And I didn't realize it. Then my friend said, hey, what happened to you? I said, why? I said, don't waste energy on all these people. When I sat in my seat later, I said, hey, what happened to me? I asked myself, I met these people. I had a meeting with these people. Then it started to dawn on me, something transformation, nadakudhu. Something good is happening to me. I am not affected by the people around me. I'm able to stay calm. Okay? It's first thing, yeah? So as I continued this journey, and the next thing I ended up doing is, I practiced this in my home. We all went through pandemic. How did you all feel being in the house, your own home, 24/7, 365 days with your own family? எல்லாருக்கும் challenge இருந்துச்சு தானே? Although it's our families. So during this time, I told myself, I am peacekeeper, I am family peacekeeper. I cannot go out to the world and talk about this if I don't keep it. So my father and I are very strong characters. We are very similar, and are very easy for us to clash because we got so opinions, right? During the pandemic for 2 years, this was my training ground. Every day I will say, if I react, I stop. I said, no, I'm peacekeeper and I practice my 1 minute. Not only at 11:11, apapa I would practice it. And I would tell you, we had the most beautiful pandemic time with my family. Nobody could believe it because I'm a person who always outside, traveling, working. But we came closer as a family. My relationship with my father changed. Dr. Sadas will be able to tell you. And all this was transformation. Enga nadakudhu? Inga nadakudhu, not velil nadakudhu. Appa didn't change. I changed because of my 1 minute practice. The next thing I want to share with you is 2 more things. Yeah, share பண்ணுறேன் அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், this is real. This is real. And I want you all to try it. Okay? The next thing is, I did a very big negotiations, one of the biggest 5G contracts in my country, Malaysia. 5 months, more than 15 hours, round the clock negotiations. I led it. Every day you sit and negotiate in front of a computer not in front of people. How is it possible? How is it possible? And negotiation now is not easy. And in the time I was doing work with my team, there's 3 of us, every day before we start our negotiation, I said, let's practice 1 minute silence.
The 3 minutes they
Yeah.
finish.
And then after that, it goes on. At the end of the day, we won the deal. And none of us today can tell you how we actually achieved this. Because we were steady, we were calm, we were innovative, everything was there. Yeah? So as what Mr. Subra said, clarity comes in. Clarity will come in. Innovation will come in. So I put in a slide here for you all to just have a look. Yeah, the slide is gone. Okay? As business people, there's only one thing that out of this I would like you all to consider for yourself. Because when you are a peaceful leader or a calm leader, your decision making is going to become much more sharper, much more stronger, much more innovative. Your leadership qualities is going to be much more admired because people like your energy. They are not scared of you. When you deal with your clients, you will be able to win deals. Yeah? At the same time, you will become a very centered person and you'll find that your business will do better. It's an unseen, you need to practice it yourself. I can only speak from my experience, okay? So with that, the reason we are here today is to share this magic with you all, and we hope you can practice it. So shall we now just do a 1 minute silence practice, which you all can continue after this daily? Shall we do it? Yes? We'll talk. Yeah, okay. So if I can ask you all, just sit freely. Everybody sit freely. Close your eyes. I will count 1, 2, 3. You inhale, 2, 3. Hold. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. And then exhale. 1, 2, 3. And then silence. We'll do this 5 times. Just enjoy your breath. Enjoy your silence with the affirmation, I am peacekeeper. I am family peacekeeper, I am national peacekeeper, I am global peacekeeper. Okay? Are you ready? Everybody, yeah? Music, sir. Light up, podunga. Ready? Inhale. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Stay in that moment. Just stay in that moment and breathe. And allow the peace vibration to flow in through you, fill you up. Just continue to breathe. I am peacekeeper. I am family peacekeeper. I am national peacekeeper. I am global peacekeeper. And when you're ready, please do open your eyes. Thank you very much for joining to hold peace for the world today. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy this experience. You understand any time in the day you can do this. But if you join us every day at 11:11, for the last 15 years, we have been doing 11/11 around the world at the same time. You make it a discipline and you will plug in and recharge yourself as if you are recharging your handphone. Try it and tell us how you feel, and please join us at the 11/11 this year in Pondicherry or wherever you are. The link will be sent, so please, if you can't be joining us here, join on the day. But before that, from today, please practice this 1 minute silence. I assure you, you'll see the magic that we are seeing. Thank you, Sandosham.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Roman Andri. Thank you. எஸ், ரொம்ப அழகான ஒரு ப்ராக்டிஸ் சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க மேம், ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலி பாண்டிச்சேரி சித்தர்கள் ஸ்தலம். ஐ வுட் லைக் டு ஸ்டே ஹியர் சார் பிகாஸ் வி ஹாவ் டு ஹானர் யூ மேம். ப்ளீஸ் யூ ஆல்சோ மேம். ஸோ ஐ வுட் ரிக்வெஸ்ட் கோபியோ ரவீந்திரன் சார் டு ஹானர் அவர் டீம் Chennai Silks.
Really, it was a wonderful meditation session, ma'am. Yeah. It was really nice. It works for me. I can, like, from the morning itself, we are so stressed, like, how we are going to do. But now, the stress has gone. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
ஸோ நல்ல விஷயங்களை விதைச்சோம் அப்படின்னா அது விளையிற இடத்துல கண்டிப்பாக விளையும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நீங்கள் நிறைய நல்ல விஷயங்களை விதைச்சிருக்கீங்க. அது விளையுதா விளையிலையா அப்படிங்கிறது அவங்கவுங்களுக்குள்ள என்ன விதமான மண் இருக்குது அப்படின்றத பொறுத்து தான் இருக்குது. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு பாண்டிச்சேரி மக்கள் அண்ட் இங்கே வந்திருக்க நிறைய பேருக்குள்ள நிறைய ஈரம் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ நல்ல விஷயம் கண்டிப்பாக விளையும். அண்ட் அதனை தொடர்ந்து நம்ம வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நெட்வொர்க்கிங் செஷன் இருக்குங்க நமக்கு. ஸோ இந்த நெட்வொர்க்கிங் செஷனில் இந்த B2B, அதாவது இங்கே நம்ம எதுக்காக வந்திருக்கோம், நிறைய பிஸ்னஸ் ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த விஷயத்தை பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த நேரத்தை நீங்கள் ரொம்ப அழகாகவே யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ யூ கேன் ஹாவ் காஃபீஸ் அண்ட் டீஸ் இன் டைனிங் ஏரியா. ஸோ டைனிங் ஏரியாவில் காஃபீஸ் அண்ட் டீஸ் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் அங்கே போயிட்டு உங்கள் காஃபி டீயை ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு உங்களோட பிஸ்னஸையும் நீங்கள் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
This is a wonderful opportunity to create a network link because we have delegates from various countries like Sri Lanka, Malaysia, France, Singapore, etc. So please make use of this platform, and it's a wonderful opportunity. Utilize this properly and you can have a network.
Yes, after this networking break, there is a beautiful session, award session, and there is a lot of cultural events and nightla